Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com.
Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita and today's recipe is oats and pumpkin porridge. This is easy to make and very nutritious, not just babies or kids. You can even have it for breakfast. This is a really yummy one and most of them prefer having oats in the morning, so adding on pumpkin would make it more nutritious. Pumpkin has its own health benefits because it is rich in calcium and magnesium, which is rarely found in vegetables. This is again going to be a filling food, so you can make it for breakfast for babies or kids. So let's dive right in and see how to make it, and at the end of the video I'll give you a link on the Dalia pumpkin porridge which is recently made. Have a look at that too.
I'm showing this in one of the easiest method. You can cook this in different ways. Like you can add pumpkin grated and ghee and fry it for a while and then add in all the ingredients. That would enhance the flavor a lot. Either ways it is tasty. So I'm adding oats and grated pumpkin and milk. Just give it a quick stir. You can cook it for a while and then add in more milk. This can even be made using water. Put it on medium flame and start cooking this while we add other ingredients as well. I'm now adding ghee. You can use butter as well. Nuts powder. This is to enhance the nutrition, and for 8 months and above babies when you're making add this. Even jaggery powder you will have to decide when you start. Sweeteners for them. You can even add raisin syrup, date syrup here to make this recipe. While you're making it for babies, natural sweeteners are the best suggestion. A bit of cinnamon powder, just a pinch. While the mixture is cooking, you can add one ingredient. It doesn't matter much to the taste. Close and cook this mixture. If you are not willing to give textures to your baby, I would insist on using carrot puree and powdered oats initially. Or what can be done is, once this porridge is made, after it cools a bit, you can blend this and give it to them. It's great to start textures in the beginning, so don't worry, babies can eat this, but if you still worry, then blending is the best option. So adjust the consistency by adding more water or milk in between if you feel like. Our oats pumpkin porridge is ready.
I hope you like this recipe. There are lots of porridges recipes on our blog, just like I'm showing in here. It's easy to browse. You just have to go to the category of porridges. There are n number of porridges mentioned there, and I keep adding lot of baby food recipes. So you can even look at the baby food charts. For somebody who's just starting solids for their baby, there may be worry on how to include varieties, what fruit and what vegetable can be given and what not, precautions if any. So all that are included in baby food charts, so have a look at them as well. And if you did like this video, please don't forget to click on that like button, comment and let me know what more would you like to see here. And as always, if you wish to see more videos of us, you will have to subscribe to our channel. So please go ahead, click on that subscribe button and the bell icon both together, so that you get that update on your mobile next time whenever I post in any video. Thank you so much again. Take care. Bye bye.